Hey guys, here's the litter box that I've been using for some time for my cat. It works pretty fine and keep the smell here. As you can see, for example, the cat already used it and everything is here because this litter box automatically cleans itself, right? As you can see, the cat just comes here, get into the litter box, and he does his business, and then it auto clean, right? And if I want to clean myself, I just need to come here and press a button, and then you see it's gonna close here on the front, and it's gonna clean, right? And it does this process 2 times. So it grabs everything and pulls back there. Let me show you here. Back there, you can see that the arm is coming and bringing everything here, and comes back, and it does all over it again. So 2 times, and then works pretty fine. Let me just close here again because it's going to do twice, and then it's going to open again here so the cat can use it again. But while it's cleaning, it keeps closed like this so the cat doesn't come there. And then when it finishes, it just opens, right? And there's also this light here that you can turn on as UV light to keep everything cleaning and avoid smelling, right? And let me just show you again. It's finishing cleaning back there and it's going to open again by itself. There we go. Now the cat can clean it, can use it again. You see, it turns the UV light by itself to keep everything clean and with no smells, right? So it works pretty fine. We've been using for some time here. We like this one and we highly recommend it. You can get yours on Amazon.